Hytale is finally here, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install mods for Hytale in just a few seconds. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just a quick reminder that you can use the creator code Academy on the Hytale store if you want to support the channel. So all you need to do is go to CourseForge.com and we will need to install CourseForge. So click this button right here to download the app. Then click on download on Overwolf. And once you have installed it, you just need to open CourseForge and you should find the list of all the games you have right here. So Hytale should appear right here as well. If you don't have it yet, you can use the creator code Academy to purchase Hytale and download it. Then all you need to do is click on Hytale, click on browse for mods, and now you should find all the mods. So for now there are more than 200 mods already, and the game just released yesterday. So there are a lot of different mods. For example, this one will give you more details about its item. Then you also have this mod, for example, that will increase the maximum stack size of the items. So you can just search for the one you like and click on install. So for example, let's say I want to install this one. I will click install. It will only take a few seconds. And now the game is ready on Hytale. So if we go to my mods, we can see this mod right here. So I'm going to launch Hytale right now. You can launch it directly by clicking this run game button. So after you launch Hytale, you just need to go to worlds and select the world where you want to use this mod. Right click it and you should find mods right here. So as you can see, you can enable or disable the mod by marking this checkbox and then just save the world settings and start playing. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.